Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and today I'll talk about study finds that substituting plant-based foods for animal-based foods is beneficial for cardiometabolic health and all-cause mortality. A new study has found that substituting plant-based foods for animal-based foods is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases or CVD, type 2 diabetes, and all-cause mortality. The study reviewed and analyzed data from 24 prospective cohort studies involving over 3 lakh participants. The researchers found that replacing processed meat with nuts, legumes, or whole grains was associated with a 27%, 23%, and 36% lower risk of CVD, respectively. They also found that replacing eggs with nuts was associated with a 17% lower risk of CVD. Aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possess in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code or access the link in the description box below. When it came to T2D or type 2 diabetes, the researchers found that replacing red meat with whole grains or cereals was associated with a 10% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. They also found that replacing red meat or processed meat with nuts was associated with an 8% and 22% lower risk of type 2 diabetes, respectively. Additionally, replacing poultry with whole grains or eggs with nuts or whole grains was associated with a 13% and 18% lower risk of type 2 diabetes, respectively. Finally, the researchers found that replacing red meat with nuts or whole grains, processed meat with nuts or legumes, dairy with nuts, eggs with nuts or legumes, and butter with olive oil was associated with a 7%, 21%, 6%, 15%, and 4% lower risk of all-cause mortality, respectively. The researchers concluded that their findings strongly support a shift towards plant-based dietary patterns for the prevention of CVD, T2D, and all-cause mortality. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.